I'll be starting by brushing my eyebrows using a pulley. After that, I'll be taking a black eye pencil and I'll be starting by drawing a very straight line from the inner corner of my eyebrows going to the outer corner of my eyebrows. After I'm done, I'll be filling in my eyebrows. Filling. After I'm done filling in, I'll be going back with my pulley. Then I'll be brushing my eyebrows, starting from the front of my eyebrows, going backwards, just to blend that in, because I didn't fill in the front of my eyebrows. After I'm done, I'll be taking my Pro Girl concealer in the shade Fawn number 2. I'll be cleaning up my eyebrows. I'm always careful. I'll be cleaning the other side of my eyebrows. I'll be applying a little bit of concealer on my eyelid, then blend that out. I'm just spreading the concealer on my eyelids. Now I'll be taking my beauty blender and make sure your blender that is wet, then blend in the concealer. After that, I'll be going in with a very bright concealer in the shade in number 1. I don't know the shade, so blend that out. Now I'll be taking this color palette. Look how beautiful it is. I'll be starting with the blue one. Now I'll be packing my blue eyeshadow. Look how beautiful it is. Just pack. Look at that. Continue packing. Now I'll be taking a yellow eyeshadow to blend that out. Just look at that. Just look at that. Now I'll be applying a blue glitter. Look at that. Look at that. So beautiful. After I'm done, now I'll be starting with my primer on my face. Just apply. I'll be blending the primer using my fingers while pressing into your skin. Continue applying. After applying your primer, just wait for it to dry, and don't forget your neck, ladies. After it has dried out, now I'll be going in with my Collagen foundation. I really love this foundation because it's a very full coverage and it's light on skin. Because I didn't do the upper side of my eyebrows, now I'll be cleaning the upper side using my foundation. Now I'll be taking my foundation brush and then blend the foundation in. Just look at the coverage of this foundation. Just look at that. Don't forget your neck, ladies. Your neck is so important. Yeah. Then I'll be taking my beauty blender and blend that out. Don't forget I was listening to music. I'm a very big fan of Vibes Cartel, so don't worry. Blend until it gives you a very smooth look. Just look at that. After that, I'll be taking my concealer just to highlight my face. I'll be applying my concealer under my eyes, my nostril, my forehead, and around my mouth. So after you are done applying this concealer, make sure you blend it out immediately because it dries out very fast. Just use a beauty blender, blend, and make sure there are no harsh lines. After that, I'll be taking a very bright concealer just to brighten my under eyes and my nose string. Blend, don't mind me. Just look at that. Now after I'm done with the concealer, I'll be going in with my opal powder, setting powder, and I'll be applying the powder the areas that I applied my concealer. And for me, I don't bake, I just press in the powder. Don't forget your neck, ladies, your neck. Then I'll be going in with the Lorom powder, pressed powder, just to contour my face. Look at that. Look at that. Your neck, baby girl, your neck. Then I'll be removing the excess powder under my eyes. Now I'll be contouring my nose just to snatch it. Look at that, so beautiful. After that, I'll be taking a blue eyeshadow and apply under my eyes, just below my waterline. After that, I'll be going in with my powder blush. And after I'm done applying the blush, I'll be going back with the brush that I used to contour my face to blend the blush in. Just look at that. Blend the blush out. Now I'll be setting my face using a setting spray. I'll be applying mascara. Whoa. Now I'll be highlighting my inner corner of my eyes using a yellow, like orangish eyeshadow. Now I'll be highlighting my face. Just look at that. Now I'll be blending the highlighter in. Going to my lips, I'll be starting with the black eye pencil, then my lipstick maroon from Huda. Look at that shade, look at that, so beautiful. Blend. After that, now I'll be cleaning my lips. Whoa, look at that makeup, so beautiful. So guys, here comes the final look. Hope you love it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Love you guys.